Hey everyone, I'm Silverwolf and I've managed to get hold of a couple more Wave 3 Furblets. These are Bub-Lee and Too-Koo that Amazon has shipped. They said that they weren't going to send them until, I don't know, the end of November, December time, but these two they've managed to ship to me. A big shout out also in this video to Michael. Hi Michael, hope you're doing okay. And also, before I begin, this has been revealed on the Furby subreddit. This person has actually managed to get Swee-Dee. And this is from the Wave 4, and we all thought that this was going to be an Easter Furblet, but this person's managed to get them very soon, and the person got them from Gamestop, which I think is in America, but I also think they're in Canada as well. So that was a stroke of luck for them. So yeah, I'm not quite sure whether Swee-Dee has different sound clips or what, but I'm sure it'll be revealed. Anyway, these guys here, Bub-Lee and Too-Koo, they apparently have the same sound clips as the first wave of Furblets. So let's open them and see what they're like. So we'll start with Bub-Lee. Bub-Lee is kind of a bit like a candy cane. So open the box up here. Yeah, stripy, just like a candy cane, very, very pink. I thought it would be more red, actually. I thought there'd be kind of more red stripes, but they're kind of more pinky stripes, kind of like strawberries and cream. Yeah, they just got the same sound clips as someone else. Yes, I definitely recognise all of those sound clips, but I've got so many of these guys now, I can't remember whose sound clips they are. I'm sure someone will tell me in the comments. So, having a closer look here, the inside of the ears are sort of a pinky colour to match the rest of it. There's little like diamonds in the eyes there. And the clip on the back is orange. There doesn't appear to be any glitter in this bit here, because sometimes they are sparkly. So that's Bub-Lee. Let's have a look at Too-Koo. And me, in my smartness, I didn't actually split the sticky tape on the box. So I've got to try and do it with my thumb. This results in broken nails. I've done one side. Come on. There we go. It's got it. So this one is Too-Koo, and it's quite pretty, the material that they've used for it. It's kind of like leopard print, but in yellow, blue and pink. It's got purple hair, and the clip is green. Again, there's no sparkles in this bit. Underneath is purple. So it's very well colour coordinated. Ah, it's a heavy metal furblet. The fur is kind of all stuck to the eyes there. There we go. It's better. I did not expect such a manly voice to be coming from this little pink furblet. I suppose it could be glam metal from like the 80s. With those colours, definitely. So there you go, that's Too-Koo, and you can see there's lightning flashes in the eyes there. So that's 2 new Furblets from Wave 3, and I know they have been out for a while, and I think in America you can get them far more easily than you can over here, but I didn't really want to import them because I didn't feel that it was really worth it since they're so cheap. But because Amazon was late sending these out, they actually sent me next day delivery without charging me at all for delivery. So I got both of these at the normal retail price. The delivery was free, which was really cool. So yeah, that's Bub-Lee and Too-Koo. I have ordered the other 3, but of course I've got to wait for them to arrive. So I will do unboxings when they do. So if you've enjoyed watching that, you can check out more videos related to these guys in the boxes that come up below. Feel free also, if you enjoy what I do, I've got a Ko-fi if you want to give me a tip. The link is in the description. And that's all for now. Stay safe, stay healthy, and keep being awesome. This is Silver signing off.